What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? So I got the full set now. Got my pass-through door, the USB-C extension, and the Ceramic Air SE. So now I can just have this little thing right here. I wish it was just like this part, if I can have an extension just like that, but it comes with the whole thing. So I just stick that in there. Whoops, missed. Stick that in there, and then I can plug the receiver in here like that, but because otherwise this won't fit. I'm hoping one day somebody makes a new door, and I had Google create me a little picture of it, of where it pretty much just like a pass through, like it has an extension of has a USB-C out here, and on the inside it has another USB-C like here that can plug into here. Maybe GoPro can do it, maybe Newer can do it, maybe I forget all the other ones, Telesin, all those aftermarket companies. You know, there's plenty of options. Hey, maybe even Ceramic. Hint, hint, Ceramic. Maybe y'all can do it too. But hopefully GoPro makes their own. All right, Brooklyn salute. I just wanted to put that out there, that my set is complete.
Stand up! They call me Brooklyn Jimmy. Lens on the city. Got the drone up high. The footage stay gritty. I paint the bird.